5 little bunnies. Fat cat books. One night, Bob was bunny sitting 5 little bunnies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When all of a sudden,
5 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 4 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 3 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 2 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 1 little bunny hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those bunnies straight to bed." So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. No more bunnies hopping on the bed. No more bunnies hopping on the bed.
5 little bunnies. Fat cat books. One night, Bob was bunny sitting 5 little bunnies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When all of a sudden,
5 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 4 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 3 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 2 little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." 1 little bunny hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Bob called the doctor and the doctor said, "Put those bunnies straight to bed." So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. So Bob and the 5 little bunnies hopped right into bed. No more bunnies hopping on the bed. No more bunnies hopping on the bed.
Hello! Let's learn the names of the animals again. Ready? A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for bear. Bear. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for horse. Horse. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for koala. Koala. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for owl. Owl. O is for otter. Otter. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sloth. Sloth. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for fox. Fox. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Here we are again. It's the bus station. Now it really is time to say goodbye. I hope you really enjoyed the song and I hope you remember all those animals. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and press the thumbs up. Goodbye. See you next time. Bring the alphabet and the animal kingdom to life with these fun flashcards. Each letter is paired with an animal whose name starts with the letter. Learn the sounds of the letters and the names of the animals with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video available on my YouTube channel. It's a fun musical lesson to make learning the animals and the alphabet a joyous experience. Our animal alphabet colouring worksheets spark creativity. Each page features a wacky letter that looks like the animal that starts with that letter. From A to adorable alligator to Z for zippy zebra. It includes both uppercase and lowercase letters to let your little artists colour their way through the alphabet while reinforcing letter recognition. Make learning animals and the letters much easier with the Animal Alphabet Trace, Match and Sort flashcards. It's the perfect tool for helping young learners learn the names of a range of animals. Discover 85 cute animals. These creatures are sure to spark curiosity. This set of eye-catching flashcards includes 3 types of flashcards. The main flashcard features a letter and a corresponding word that represents the sound, which you can learn along with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video on YouTube. The second type of flashcard provides a collage of delightful illustrations along with the word. The third removes the word so it can be used for quizzes. These versatile flashcards make phonics fun.
Get it now at fatcatbooks.uk. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.